Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some keto snickerdoodle no-bake cookies. They're delicious. So I have monk fruit sweetener, coconut flour, my favorite almond butter, Justin's. I have salt, cinnamon, and sugar-free syrup. So I'm going to first add in my coconut flour, and then I'm going to add in half a cup of my almond butter. I love this brand. It's nice and smooth, really great texture. So half a cup of that, and I used 1 cup of the coconut flour. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. So I will mix this all together. It's a little bit sticky, so it's going to take a bit, but just be patient and mix it all the way through. It's going to make a cookie dough type batter, and it'll be really good once it's all mixed, all the ingredients together. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of the monk fruit sweetener, and then I'm going to reserve the rest to coat the ball of the sugar and cinnamon for the snickerdoodles. So I'm going to mix this all the way through, and it is a little bit tough, a little bit dry, but just keep mixing and it will eventually get all mixed together and be perfect. All right, so I'm going to form balls with the mixture. So I'm just going to squeeze it all together and make it nice and firm and compact it. Then I'll roll it into a little ball, and it will be all ready to then be rolled into the sugar and cinnamon. But I'm going to roll all of these up so that they're ready to go. So I have my monk fruit sweetener. I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, depending on your preference. You can add a little bit more, a little bit less. And then I will mix that all around, and I'm going to dip each snickerdoodle ball into the mixture and place it back onto the plate. All right, now I'm going to use my fork to kind of flatten them out a little bit, make a more cookie-like shape. And then I'm going to chill these in the refrigerator for about an hour so that they firm all the way up. And these are really great, really awesome no-bake recipe and really healthy, nice keto recipe. So check the description box if you want to make these. The recipe will be in there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel also so that you get all of my weekly meal prep ideas and all of my snack prep ideas as well. I will also link my snack keto ideas, the playlist. I have a whole playlist of all of my keto snacks and treats, a couple desserts in there, lots of appetizers and some snacks. So check that out if you need some ideas on some healthy appetizers for any weekend parties. And these are really great. So check the description for the recipe for these, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.